Hey you guys, it's Lindsay's Got Curls, and today I'm going to be comparing these two leave-in conditioners, and I'm actually going to leave them in all day tomorrow and then tell you guys how I felt about them after leaving them in for a full day. So let's see. Here we have TGIN, thank God it's natural. We have the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. And then we have Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. Now, as you can see, let's see, you get way more product with TGIN. It is 384 milliliters, where Curls is only 236 milliliters. And so TGIN's leave-in conditioner at Target is currently $14.69. And Curls leave-in conditioner is $11.39. Oh, and I just wanted to add that I have never used TGIN's green tea leave-in conditioner, so this is also kind of like a first review. But as you can see, I have reviewed Curls on my channel before, and I've used half the bottle since I've done that review. So you guys can consider that when considering my opinion. Alright, I also want to be able to tell you guys, like, if you need more of one product than the other. So what I'm going to do is start off with a little bit on each section of hair, and just see where it goes from there. So my hair's not super matted because I just washed it and deep conditioned it, but I did go all day with no products, so I did run into a few tangles, but they are already gone. Oh, it smells so good. Slip is amazing. That little bit was enough for that section, actually. I'm going to do more conditioner on this section because it's bigger. And as you can see, the Curls leave-in conditioner is very light. Like, I only rubbed it for a little bit and it's almost clear. So this is Curls Blueberry Bliss finger combed, and this is no product at all. And now I'm about to put my TGIN Green Tea Super Moist in my hair. So TGIN is slightly creamier. And it has a nice subtle smell to it. The blueberry definitely smells better, but that's not what we're here for, right? Okay, so as you work it in, you start to smell it a little bit more, and I really like the smell. It's really light and pleasant. Okay, so I don't know. I feel like wet right now, TGI is winning. It just feels a lot more moisturized on this side. It's easier to run my fingers through. But we'll have to wait and see until the morning to see who wins. Let's see what Bae thinks. Donovan! Don! Donovan! Come here. Half of my hair is one leave-in conditioner and half is the other. And I want to know, with my hair still wet, which side of my hair do you think looks better? And you can come smell it too if you want and touch it if you like.
The left side. My left.
Your left?
Say your right.
My right. You think the right side looks better this side?
Yeah.
Come smell it and touch it. Which one smells better?
Stuffed up.
Your nose is stuffed up?
Yeah. They both feel pretty similar.
Try to put your finger through this side. Which one is easier?
This side. The right.
Okay.
So it looks better to me and it feels better to me.
But you can't smell.
That's the side I can actually smell. That's motherfucker.
I'm gonna let you smell the actual bottles.
That smells good. This is the side I can actually smell.
This one?
Yeah.
You can't smell the blueberry?
No, I said this is the one I can smell.
Oh, you can smell the blueberry.
Yeah.
The blueberry is
It's a stronger smell.
the blueberry is is my left side.
Well, the way I got my hand in, this, it looks like it looks better.
It looks better.
Yeah,
Okay.
Cause it's this side, right? Yeah, it looks better.
All right, you guys, you got Bae's opinion. All right, I'll come back when my hair's dry in the morning and I will let you guys know what I really think. Hey you guys, so I wore both products all day today and I am back with the results. So this is the side of my hair where I use curls. And last night after I did my hair with it, I noticed that I had a lot of shrinkage before I went to bed. When I pull the hair out, it doesn't easily go back into the fro. You see how I pulled that piece out and it kind of stays there. So on this side last night when I was getting ready for bed, I didn't notice a lot of shrinkage. It kind of looked the same like now, but last night my hair, it was like this, where curls I had to pull it out. And then let's see, pull my hair, if I pull a curl, it goes right back in place. There's less frizz with the TGIN. There's more elasticity. More moisture, less shrinkage. Curls, I love the Blueberry Bliss, but in comparison to TGIN's green tea leave-in conditioner definitely took this one home. So my hair feels kind of dry on this side. I am actually going to go moisturize my hair. Probably gonna use a co-wash and get my hair ready for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys next time. And again, shout out to Curls and TGIN. And as always, love, Lindsay.